joint.
Bravo.
Hey, traders, welcome to the stream. Happy Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Hopefully you like the title. Altcoins have a dream, because they did. Oh my god. Well, they had a dream, and I guess they fulfilled their dream with action, with price action to the upside. Sorry, not feeling too great today. That's okay, man. Y'all kind of got me wrecked yesterday, and then I had to wake up really early, go downtown to take care of stuff, and I've just been kind of out of it because of that. So just looking at Bitcoin do nothing for a good while. It's holding above 34,500 still. That's powerful, man. All right, let me show you something that's happened today. Good on our Patreon for bringing this up. Grayscale purchased in the past 24 hours $590 million worth of Bitcoin. Well, that's 16,000 plus Bitcoins acquired. So let's see what happens, man. They're still buying at 36K like it was nothing, man. So I think that's pretty good news. Just, you don't know how it's going to correlate with the price. I mean again though, it's like, that's good though. Okay, but it's been better other places. So let's talk about, well, I guess let's look at Ethereum real quick. Fine, it looks fine, dude. It's making higher lows consecutively than the previous lows, and you know, Bitcoin allows it. It's gonna break to all-time highs eventually. This is the way it's looking. It's setting up. It seems like it's setting up for higher prices. You kind of got like a sell wall around the 886, the 88% retrace from your previous major, or from your all-time high to that $83 low or whatever, right? Look, I mean, you up thrusted here. Look, you tested, you're testing, and you just keep making higher lows. So it's like sell wall accumulation, ascending triangle behavior, despite if it is that or not, whatever. Same type of psychology. So Ethereum looking primed. But you know, nothing's certain. It just looks good, right? Price action looks good. So all right, you know, knocking Bitcoin, Ethereum again. Eventually, if one's patient, 1441, and then maybe higher if we're lucky. Litecoin looking alright, man. Looking okay. You think, oh man, this is a bear flag or something. I don't know, man. I don't think it really looks. I think it's more like Three Rising Valley stuff. Like, you're above critical resistance points from history. Oh, Nathan, thanks again for the 420 at the beginning of the stream. Thank you, dude. Anytime you're above 146, you see this orange line here. Anytime you're above it, the longer you stay above it, the probability increases that eventually you're just going to get a green candle up to 173, 179. Okay? So this is not bad yet, okay? Maybe below 137. Oh man, Monka S. But we're not doing that. Look, we're springing. We're back testing the spring. Okay? And we're holding, and we're bullishly engulfing. Look, we bullishly engulfed, and we're back testing the other support resistance as support. So again, man, I mean, like, patience. Like, this is like, is this about to continue? Is everything about to continue the upside here? Wow. So, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, getting the big ones out of the way. We do have an obligatory asset we have to look at. We just have to, man, because it's done it. It finally did it. GRT, right? The one What's up, John, dude?
Hey Mitch, a while back on your advice I read Trading in the Zone. Appreciate it. This past weekend I read Mark Douglas' earlier book The Disciplined Trader. I recommend highly to your subscribers.
Yeah, Mark Douglas, the GOAT, man. It's gold. What he published is gold. So yeah, check it out, man. Nothing, can't go wrong with him. All right, reading his literature. Thanks, dude. All right, so here it is. For the first time, we're gonna play it out. It's gonna play out, and as it plays out, Jesus chimes. Third target achieved officially. Boom. Like it was a joke, dude. Let's go, man.
Hype in the chat!
Let's go. 62.9 cents. Hey, if there was gonna be a fourth target, 75 cents to 80 cents, whatever, whichever one, you know, someone felt comfortable with, where traders set it up or the wick high. I'm a candle close man myself, so 75 would be a good fourth target if one was so inclined to see if this run was to continue, as so many altcoins, they just continue to run. Like they just, oh yeah, hit the targets, traditional market, we did it, man, congratulations. But it's crypto, holy crap, this thing's at $3 in seconds. I'm not saying that's going to happen at all. But again, traditional targets versus crypto Rudy Poo, insane bull run targets, probably going to be a little different. All right, so very good, man. Very, very good. Okay, GRT did great. What a good start to WRX. What an ascending triangle. It broke out. Looks like it's going to back test at least 9.2 to 9.2 to 9.1 cents right here. I mean, it's almost there. I mean, what a good liftoff. You know, as soon as the trade setup got posted, it was just like, pow. So, patience required, right? Okay, so another one that's required tremendous amount of patience, but still extremely active. YFII. Right, there's a trade set up from, I think, Christmas Eve or something. Christmas Eve. Like down here at like 1400. It's already appreciated so much in value. And one was patient, didn't panic, just stayed the course. Look where you're at now. Getting closer and closer to the first profit taking level of the trade setup, 25.70. The top of the range. Oh my God, it's so crazy, right? So just gotta let it continue to play out. We're getting there. Up 12% today. What's the problem, dude? Alright, bad news for Loop Ring. What a joke, dude. How is this thing down 3.59%? I don't know, dude. It's still multiple cents above the entry. But, man, like, are we going to do something? Can someone call Bogdanov and let him know his trading bot broke? Okay, you know, the Bogdanov trading bot that's like, hey, okay, I see an inverse showed us, okay, pump it. It's not doing anything, so we're just waiting for it to breach the sell wall of 43.6 cents. That hadn't happened yet. Yeah, VChain Thor up 128% it was at one point. Yeah, it's crazy. Now we can look at it, I guess. It's just a straight line up. It's like Hex Coin or something that day, remember?
You going to drunk off warm wine again?
Am I going to drunk off warm wine again? CPT, you might be the one who is drunk based on the way you structured that sentence, sir. I think you did.
Bruh. That boy is good.
Good and terrible.
Thanks, dude. So I just don't know, man. Like, he's got to let it play out. It's either going to play out or it's going to fail. We're going to wake up the next day. Either way, right? It's you know, the sun's going to come up. So it's just like, you know, the right shoulder, it's like accumulation. You probably show more accumulation, and then it's just eventually it's just got to break. And then it could be a really nice markup real fast. Really disappointing how the hidden bullish average, I mean, it played out. It just didn't. There wasn't enough demand to breach the area where there are sell orders yet. Maybe there's just absorption going on, right? We always talk about absorption. The buyers are absorbing the remaining supply, possibly.
Stake is in the middle of a parabolic move.
Oh my God, it's Bogdanov. Stick! Another trade setup that has been long forgotten because of all the other trade setups, right? Thank you, Joe, for the 10. That was last month's trade setup. I believe, yeah. I mean, we can pull it up. I need steak. Hello? Dude, chat, Bogdanov's here. He says dump it. No, don't. That's not what you're supposed to do, Bogdanov. No. No, Bogdanov, he rewards people who respect the TA. You didn't know that, did you? They didn't tell you in the meme. There's the Discord link. Join it. He also says join. Like, this protects you from getting wrecked. All right. Yeah. While we're at it. Looking at steak, man. Just gotta find it real quick. Dude, I'm like tired. I've been like tired like all day. It's like dead, man. Like a zombie right now. Maybe I typed it as steak to US dollar or something. I'll find it. Hold on. There it is. Did you say steak at everyone? Oh, it was this month. Okay. No excuse. Because it was the 3rd of January. Alright? Remember this? Like, what do you even want, patrons? Like, look at it.
Look here! Look, listen!
I mean, the reward to risk was so stupidly good. Look at your first one's 5.43 to 1 reward to risk. We knew we wanted nothing to do with this asset below this ice line. 1 bottom, 2 bottoms. On the second bottom, you just happen to have daily Class B bullish divergence. Classic bullish divergence. Are you kidding me, dude? Confirmation low. This is exactly what dreams are made of. XABCD stuff. Alright, man. We're almost there. We're almost there. 2159 is the 382. That's that first target. Alright. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Whoa, what the? What was that? Okay, so it's just been altcoins having dreams, man. They're pumping, and they're not like the legacy ones, most of them. They're not like the, you know, the ones that are on my normal watch list. They're just different. They're just ones that are newer, right? I mean, look at KSM, Kasuma or whatever. It's up 7+%. That diamond pattern fake out. Man, talk about a textbook fake out here. Right here. Look at this, dude. This happens, Larry. You form a diamond pattern, it breaks out, makes a higher low, then pivots, gets back above a critical ice line. And look where it went, man. It far exceeds the target measure move, right? So, yeah, bearish engulfing right now. But, dude, this one was... Remember the double bottom? Very nice. You think it ends with that? No, dude. It just keeps going. It's like ORN, man. Like one bottom, a second bottom. Look where it's gone. Since, you know, it's just like... This isn't the conventional harmonic because it is too deep on C. I'm not arguing that. But it is XABCD. And you had one bottom and a second bottom pretty much at the PCZ again. So, I mean, that's like confirmation low stuff. I mean, that's like critical support area you held, you know, and you're rallying, you're at a 50% retrace. And you think eventually it could get up to 346 on ORN. Okay. Are we going to talk about CRV again? The Jesus harmonic, dude. The Jesus harmonic. And 148 was like it, and it broke it, up thrusted through it. I guess there was this high right there was regarded to. So you're just consolidating now. Not too much selling. I mean, it's down 12%. It doesn't look like it, does it? But yeah, that's going to happen after stupid 50%, 60% runs in a day. So you can just see kind of what the undertone or overtone of this stream right now is, just pure insanity of these altcoins that are like, I'd never even heard of these. A lot of these I'd not even heard of until like a week ago. I mean, I had to create a new watch list for, it's called Newer S Coins watch list. Because there were so many opportunities presenting themselves at the same time. I'm like, oh my God. Like, this is, if I saw this on a traditional market, this is it. I mean, this is it, dude. Like, Rose, look where it went. I mean, it hit the top of the harmonic. It went up and hit the 1272, the 1414, the 100% measured move of the confirmed double bottom. You can see that. I was kind of plot on the the daily. Look, that's how I did it. Like, the size of the double bottom to the neckline from the breakout, that was it. Like, that, it hit that. And the daily bullish divergence, it's like you just can't ignore that. I don't care what it's called Rose coin. Like, that is a huge joke. Rose coin. It's just technical analysis, man, and it's being respected so well. I don't even know what to do with myself. Okay. No, we already did. We identified the harmonic. We saw it go insane like the day I looked at it, right? I mean,
keep an eye on IT.
I don't really care. All I care about is this. I cared about what it was doing, how beautiful it was. And it's hard to believe how well it's playing out, you know? It's just legendary, dude. But guess what? It's not the only legendary. Look at Ocean. Ocean, man. Bullish shark, okay? There is a shark called the bull shark. It's real. And it showed up on the ocean chart and hit the PCZ on Christmas Eve. And it's just so crazy that PCZ, the 886 of the shark, happened to be literally at the bottom of the range, right? The ice line. So you sprung October 7th and you back tested the spring technically, Christmas Eve and the 27th of December, and look where it went. It went to the top of the range. It did it, man. It hit C. That's like Casey Stubbs' target. And we also have targets lined up in case Ocean ever broke out. That would be 71.89 cents. It's just gorgeous. It's just beautiful, dude. Chart art. It's the season of harmony for the newer S coins. Okay, I mean, you think it stops there. It just isn't stopping. It can't stop. Won't stop. Here's one I'm kind of interested in. It's very low liquidity, I think, but you can't tell me, you cannot tell me this doesn't look extremely bullish. One major bottom November 6th, another extreme major bottom Christmas Day, and look how it held. And look, you had a big markup off the ice line. So that's one bottom, a confirmation bottom, right? You rallied, and just what it looks like to me, I mean, kind of zoomed in, is like you're safe. Everything's safe above 26.58. And it's just the fact that you sprung, you're back testing again, local double bottom there, sneaky quiet, and it's been okay since like it was posted, right? But I think the upside $35, $35.92 up there. I guess don't know why it wouldn't go up there at this point. What it's doing, what the price action's doing, or just the bulls just keep confirming areas that support 1 time, 2 time. 35.92, see you there in time if one's patient. I'm 7.44% today. And then it's like, okay, the mini structure, but then you like look, it's like the second bottom is like a left shoulder head, right shoulder. It's stupid. It's crazy. Okay. So Bitcoin just chills out and keeps doing what it's doing. These altcoins are just going to keep performing well. Altcoins have a dream. They do. What about Atom up 10+% today? Remember, this one was a welfare trade setup given to you live on stream, and we talked about why the entry was there, why the stop loss was there, why the targets for profit taking were there. You're on your way to the second target. What's up, Mr. Desai? We can look at Tezos, I guess. That's, man, you could have looked at anything, and you chose Tezos.
Good and terrible.
Oof. Dang, man. So, again, like, what do you want? You broke the resistance, the next target to 1272, 10, 18, 1020 or so. A gold mean ratio kind of right after that 1188. So let's just go straight up, man. It held that ice line. Why was the entry there? Where at the time it was there? Why? Because if you look left, that was the critical support. That was it, man. Beautiful area on a back test where one could take a shot, and it never got down to the demand line again. That was it. It was perfect. Just TA. It's just these S coins. I don't know what they do, or I don't care, because it's like if they just keep respecting the TA, we don't ever have to know what these S coins do. Look at the algo. Remember the inverse head and shoulders on this one? It was incredible. It was so good. And look at it. It's just rallying like crazy. Nice Fibonacci. Okay, that was... Look, man, in the specimen inverse head and shoulders where you had a huge run up, then you dumped, you lost 78% of your value areas for longs. 786, 886. There's a 78% sale on algo. There's an 88% sale on algo. That's it, man. All right, you start forming an inverse head and shoulders at a 786. That's it, dude. That's the specimen. All right. So Fibonacci the other way, though. At a low... You're at a 618. Okay, so thinking that this will probably meander on up to 64.5 cents. That would make sense to me. Yeah, you broke like all the resistance and stuff. So, and here it is. You can see it a little bit clearer. It's so visible on the daily, man. It's beautiful. Okay. Someone asked about XLM or something. Hold on. Did no one ask for that? XLM? I could have sworn someone said something about XLM. Maybe not. Okay. There's only like, you know, crazy is like 10,000 requests past 7 days, and it's like one request today. That's weird, man. Okay, so alright, it's Tezos up 1.2% today. As you can see, I haven't really been updating it or messing with it much since the falling wedge played out like crazy. It dumped, and okay. So, I don't know, yeah, one bottom, two bottom, another bottom, like almost like a double bottom here. There were a lot of them doing the same thing. It's just rallying. It's not doing anything special, okay? There's a lot of resistance. Like, it has to breach this $3 area and hold it for long enough. And then you think the next target's $3.33. And after that, it's $3.80, okay? That's it, man. I don't know really what to tell you. It's had a pretty good run from, look what happened. I mean, like, it was a support resistance. You sprung, you back tested the spring January 13th and 12th, and then you engulfed, and look where you are now. You've run up to the next resistance. It's kind of like, wow, that makes so much sense. Duh. So staying above this, 333, 380, and then if you want after that, it's like
at stake, will you look at Morpheus Network?
447.
MRPH.
Gross. Gross, I guess. Oh, Tree Peak. Yeah, we have a new emoji in the Discord. The Tree Peak guy. The Tree Peak guy. And this, you know, it started with this, man. This is my meme of the month entry. I'm gonna keep posting it. I'm advocating. Okay? That's me, okay? That's my face. That's my reaction when there's bullish divergence on multiple time scales at a critical ice line with a Volkowski pattern at the PCZ of a harmonic pattern with a Japanese candlestick reversal.
Bruh.
All right, that's... And so now we have it where you can emoticon like that whenever you want, dude. Okay.
Can you tell us which playlist/YouTube video you listen to while scanning the chart? I'm struggling to find something decent myself, but your live stream music is always bad.
Yeah, the Jarwood Sandstorm network on MySpace. That's it, dude. Thanks, man. Check it out. It's on MySpace. It's wonderful. All right. Here's your Morpheus coin. First time I've ever looked at it in my life. Don't know what that is. Nice gap. So look at that, man. Look how you broke the resistance, right? You broke it and you back tested it. When you back tested it, you rallied. You kind of showed maybe you were kind of diverging there a little bit. And now you're just kind of range bound, right? You're kind of stuck in a range. Something about like traders settled up. Right, so you're near the top of the range. If you break out, hey, that's great. But the lower risk areas for longs around 35 to 37 cents, right? The higher risk 75 to 80 cents. If you break it, okay, you can just target like a range.
Weekly triple top on PNC Financials. Thoughts on shorting?
So, dude, sure, we'll look at it. Right, so if it broke out, and I don't know, man, like, sure, it could, though. Look, a low, a higher low, now higher lows. Just keep making higher lows, dude. All right. So if you ever broke out of the upside and then pulled a crypto, $1.30, and then probably like $2 if it goes nuts. I don't know. Like it's Morpheus. I don't know. It's range bound now. You're near the top of the range. Have an alert set up if you don't want to miss it, okay? If you don't want to miss the breakout happening. That's it, dude. No edge at this time for a long that I see right now. And that's kind of what we do with these assets, right? We're looking for edges. We got Bitcoin, $36,550, man.
VeChain doing things.
That's right. Correct. It was showing very promising price action that really struck my eye earlier this morning, where I posted and pinged patrons about it. It looked great. Okay, so check out the Darude Sandstorm playlist on MySpace. It's the best ever.
RFNEH.
What's up, Gergo? What's up, dude?
Hi Mitch, can you search up CRX/PTC things?
Sure, if you wish. I'll go look at PNC real quick. Man, it'd be nice to get a close or a strong close on Bitcoin, you know, engulf again. That'd be great, man. PNC, financial services, triple topping, more like right-angled descending broadening formation, as we've seen Tesla, Bitcoin, right? I mean, where do you even anchor here, right? It's like where, like how do you anchor? But that it's really like just kind of. It doesn't really line up very well, you know, but that's like just downsloping support. But yeah, you're just at a major resistance. Definitely where a pullback could happen. A gap fill. I think you probably fill this gap at like 149 and change. Big time bearish divergence on the daily. Look at this impending price action versus the downside at a critical ice line. Oh yeah. So you are reversing, aren't you? So it's what is implied. It wasn't on the RSI. You reset the RSI, and again, I'm not sure how deep this is gonna pull back. Right? I mean, there's minor supports. Look, one right here, May of 2018. Not much anything up here. that's like a stronger support. You can see a lot of times it's been tested. Right there too. That would make 131 would make all the sense in the world, because there's another gap right here at 133.74. So that is definitely where you could be headed if you can't eventually pivot and break all-time highs. Okay, that's the next like more formal, stronger support. As you can see, just the price action correlation so many times there throughout history. Yep, high risk. It's charts kind of say in reversal, so but you just don't know how deep the reversal is going to be. All right, PNC. Oh wow. A little late now. It's kind of mooning now. It's up 41%. Why would you want me to look at ALF when it's up 40 something percent now? It's kind of over now. Yeah, it's done, son. I mean, hey, maybe if you're like, hey, how did it look yesterday? It was just range-bound assets kind of breaking out of the range. Yep, breaking out of the range. Kind of diverging.
Quick look at guy.
I don't know what that is. Sure. So you're breaking, I think you're breaking out. Look, I mean, there's a high here, September 25th, October 14th. Look, you can clearly see where traders set it up and reversed December 16th. You're breaking out. You're trying to break out. I would think the next target's 30 cents on Aleph.im. What is that? Okay, so lows, look higher lows. Okay, 30 cents in time if this sustains. But you can see there could be a scam wick again, all right? So it's all about if it holds. Even if it doesn't hold, it could just run up there. It's probably so illiquid it could just pump, you know. But dang, man, you had chances, I guess. Nice. Gross. Next request, ZRX to BTC, all-time lows. Well, you just recently had all-time lows. It's terrible. So yeah, I mean, hey, congratulations on holding. You're springing, right? You're in the midst of springing. Be interesting to see how we get back test there. Yeah, I mean, you can't say this isn't low risk.
Could you play Best of Shingo Nakamura mix on YouTube and turn your volume up just by 1 decibel? Love this channel. Best TA and music style.
Sup, Charlie? Well, unfortunately, this is a TA show. This is not a music show. Ooh, $1 million worth of shorts just liquidated. Get wrecked. Yeah, I don't really take requests on music. Sorry, dude. Thank you for the contribution. I'm glad you enjoy the stream. It's like, if my music's not good enough, then, you know. Alright. So, again, I mean, maybe if you would think 1477 or 1190, you would back test it. But I just, very real, very, very real Class C bullish divergence there, where you make a low on price, a lower low on price, and you double bottom on the oscillator. It's played out, right? Stagnation and relative strength played out, but it's probably only going to make a lower high and then dump again. Buyer induction and then dumps. So I just don't know why one wouldn't be looking at ZRX to the US dollar, right? And ZRX was a trade setup that hit 2 of 3 targets a very short period of time. So I don't really like the BTC pairs. I'm just not into them. And you could look at it maybe to be like, okay, if it's down here, that means maybe, just maybe ZRX to US dollar might outperform Bitcoin a little bit. Maybe. And that means one would then trade the ZRX US dollar pair. But this, I don't know, man. Like, okay, good luck, dude. You know how much money, you know what I just said at the beginning of the stream, right? Like $590 million was put into Bitcoin, or was purchased. Bitcoin was purchased. Like 16,000 plus Bitcoin was purchased in the last 24 hours by Grayscale. That did not have anything to do with ZRX. ZRX, nothing was really purchased. Nothing was purchased by institutions in the last 24 hours. Heck, man. I mean, it's just there to be traded, pumped and dumped, right? It's not Bitcoin. It's not going to outperform Bitcoin. Look at this chart. The chart tells you it doesn't. Very rarely does it. Okay. So maybe one will be using the Bitcoin pairs to see if they're at areas of value where they could reverse here. These are definite areas where a reversal could happen, and that just makes you, Crypto Pepe Sylvia, believe that maybe the US dollar pair would have a nice run soon, and Bitcoin maybe wouldn't be running. It might just go sideways. I don't know. So here we are, $36,700. First time this 4-hour candle. We got less than 20 minutes to go. Trying to engulf here. Not bad. Kai is actually a cryptocurrency. Wow. On TradingView, chat. It looks okay. It kind of looks okay, man. Unbelievable. Wait, what? That isn't the same one. One looks different on Uniswap. I like this. I like this a lot. I like it at all. You hear me? I like Kai. I can't believe I like Kai. Cobra Kai. Cobra Kai. Cobra Kai.
My man Mitch. Fun stream last night. Can you please look at bar? Looks poised for takeoff. Congrats on the house.
It's China to me. China.
Thank you, Scott, man. Thank you.
Thoughts on a symmetrical triangle in ETH/BTC Coinbase using the weekly candles? Picture of it, just in case it's painful to use the chart because of the wick in 2017. 0.003240005 ETH.
Thank you, dude. I don't know. Ethereum to BTC leads me to believe Ethereum's going to outperform Bitcoin and go to all-time highs. It's going to moon. It's going to like price discovery mode. It's going to be bonkers. You're going to be like, I can't believe Ethereum's done this at some point in the future. I can't believe Ethereum's doing this. No way. Unbelievable. I wish I owned more Ethereum or something. Look at this hidden bullish divergence on the daily on Cobra Kai. Look at this, dude. It's about to go positive. Unbelievable. The technicals on these S coins is too dang amazing. Look at this. Dude, you hadn't seen positive momentum on this asset since December 28th. It's about to be time, dude. Launch. Liftoff coming on Kai after the back test of the spring. Okay. Target on Kai. I mean, yeah, you're going to have to face your demons at 2.7 cents to 2.9 cents. But I'm thinking with this type of the look here on both oscillators on the daily, that's inferring to me, maybe I'm wrong here, that's inferring to me that Kai's going to see 4.2 cents off of this divergence. If it actually plays out in the TA's respect and it keeps making higher lows, which it is, 4.2 cents is the target, and then you could say 5 cents, 4.98 cents, whatever. 5 pennies, okay? That is where Kai could be headed. Gotta add it to the newer S-Coin list, I guess. Gonna put Miyagi-Do next to it, alright? Miyagi-Do to the US dollar. Unreal. Alright, congratulations. Everyone. This is man, dude, I'm telling you, dude. You break 3 cents, 4.2, and then 5 pennies. This is incredible. It's on KuCoin, evidently. Okay. You understand? It's not a joke. This isn't a joke. Even it is probably a big joke, but.
Can you look at OXT/USD? Is this your homework, Lord Ray? Appreciate ya.
So, Guy Gamer, is this your homework, Larry? Yes. Oh no, hold on. Gosh, I hate when it does that. Look, I mean, it's like 3 valleys. It's a scuffed potential 3 rising valleys, man. And you know what the confirmation line is, that 2.9 cents. So doesn't it make stupid amounts of sense that if it, broke the confirmation line of that pattern, where it would go would make all the sense in the world. Duh. Like, yeah, TA Tetris up here. That makes lots of sense. Beautiful. Beautiful. Keep our eye on it. To have your alerts set up on this one. It's about to break a little mini resistance here at 2 cents, 2.08 cents. Once it breaks that, it'll be going to it'd be heading to the next resistance up here. It's on the cusp of breaking out. It already tried breaking out earlier today, and it's going green right now. We're going green on Cobra Kai histogram, and it could turn into something like this. All right, you've been warned. You've been warned extensively now. I'm done with Kai. Okay, next one was H-bar. Connect, of course. Beautiful, dude. Beautiful. Beautiful. Well, this one we had discussed a long time ago, and look where it's gone since then. I mean, it's gone, dude. It's unbelievable. Ken, thank you for the $5 super chat, and it's fantastic. Anytime someone makes money, right? They're taking control of their own destiny. Okay, thanks, man. So this one though, this is like, all it did was show that, if you remember, if you're a patron, my analysis on this was, and I pinged everyone on this, this is it. H bar is going to reverse here, or it's going to zero. It's doing one thing or another. Holding here with seller exhaustion at a critical, the last ice line from October 2019, second bottom. It's going to reverse here, or it's going to zero because there is no support resistance below that ice line. Look what it did. Created the wedge, broke out of the wedge, hit a target, sold off, jumped, and then eventually back tested that wedge, the old supply line as demand line. And look at absorption. Look at all this absorption. The buyers just absorbing the remaining supply there. And look what happened when it finally got bought up. Just blast off, man. And now it's at this old high, which I think was an old trade setup target up there. It could never quite get there back in the summer of last year. But that's it. You break that, man. 8 cents. But it's, man, I'm telling you, you better be cautious here, because this thing was, and look what it did. It ran straight up to hit that resistance, then straight down to back test the old other ice line as support, held, and then has run right back up to it. Incredible price action correlation to these trend lines I've had plotted here for months, many months. This has not moved. This had not changed. Chart's the same. Okay, wow, what a journey for H-bar. What's up, Nicholas, man? Thank you for the 5 super chat. Oh, Ethereum. Catching some bids, up 2% now. It was up like nothing burger like 30 minutes ago.
On the Bitcoin pivot flag pattern forming on the daily?
Neutral, so flip a coin. But, man, the fact that you got... It's just hard to ignore Grayscale buying $590 million worth of Bitcoin at these levels today, like in the last 24 hours. What were you doing in the last 24 hours? Well, Grayscale was buying crap loads of Bitcoin. Over 10,000, 16,000 plus Bitcoins. Did you buy that? I don't. It's still pretty expensive to me, man. Right? I'm just happy to be a market participant. Okay, at much lower levels, and I can't believe where it's gone now. But just remember, there was never any bearish divergence on the daily or weekly or monthly. Not even close. There wasn't any. So the argument for a reversal to the downside is just not very strong. Even though it could reverse, there's nothing like implying that the probability is higher that we reverse here at these levels to the downside majorly. Okay, so that's without there being buyer exhaustion on the daily, weekly, or monthly. Has to make you a little suspect on downside, but at the same time, we're so high, we know it could just be a coin flip, and that's what a pennant is. It's what a triangle is. It's a coin flip. It's like triangles, pennants, right? Neutral. It's like there's contraction, right? Buyers and sellers are coming to a fair point on the float, like where it's, you know, the bids are where the asks are. They're merging together, right? Everyone's, and then what does that mean? There's a move about it. The closer you get to the apex of a triangle, right?
Can you look at
The middle between the downsloping and upsloping trend line, the higher the probability is, right, the closer you get there to a breakout. We're getting close, getting real close now, aren't we? What's up? Hey, Gabriel, look me in the eye right now, okay? Look at the screen and look at me in the face, okay? I just have to do it. I just have to, man. Oh, really? 7 emojis reacting to the Kai and Patreon? Really, dude? 7? That's pathetic, dude. 925 patrons. And I'm getting 7 emojis on something that looks insane, like it's about to go crazy. It looks like it's about to double up in price. Really, dude? I don't even know, man. I don't even know. Like, hey, give me trade setups. And it's like, okay, here's something. All right, well, meh. I don't care, dude. Dude, pay attention to charts only, chart publications, and trade setups. Come on, dude. Pay attention. When you get pinged, it's not something you just ignore. Oh, I got pinged. I'm in the Patreon. Take heed of it. Look at it. Then react. And that lets me know you looked at it. You watched it. Okay. All right. Paying attention. All right. Enough of H-bar. What was the next one? Ethereum to BTC, which we know is setting up for higher prices. Well, it looks like it anyway. Nothing's... Whoa, Gabriel. Whoa, knocking stuff out of the jar, dude. Careful. Look at this, dude. Well, I mean, look at it. I mean, you jumped across the creek. You back tested the jump across the creek. All right, next target, 39 to 41,000 Satoshis. Hey, there's Eric L. Hyping the friggin' chat. Welcome to Patreon, man. Thanks so much, dude. Please be sure to sing with the Patreon on the Discord. You have to do that, all right? You have to. 926 patrons.
Can we leave Scone Fun Boys alone for a wee bit and check out Ling? Smiley face.
Vic, hey man, thanks for the 25 super chat, dude. Yeah, we can look at Link. Sure. It kind of had its fun in the sun. And it's pulled back today. It happens, man. So again, the analysis on Ethereum to BTC is, this is implying that soon Ethereum will start outperforming Bitcoin somewhat. Okay. Because it's like the next thing to do now is to run up to test the top of the trading range. That's it. That's like the next thing to do. Like nothing else like why would it not? I mean, like, of course, what if Bitcoin just moons?
An easy 15+% earlier. Vet networks in sub 1 minute.
What's up, Cherry Bacon? Things I don't know. I'm just simple TA, man. But all right. So we got those numbers up a little bit on Kai, but man. All right. Are you talking about something with a triangle? I'm not looking at it like a triangle, dude. I'm looking at it like Wyckoff range, what the composite operator's doing. There's clear levels of accumulation, all right, no matter what. And you're back testing springs. You're jumping across creeks. That is all. This is uber bullish stuff on a chart. So that's as far as I'm kind of going with ETH to BTC. All right, Cardano was next, which is down 2.6%. Okay, after it had a stupid run up, man. We got 6 minutes till your daily candle close. All right, so, I mean, what'd you do? You hit 38.856 cents. That's a 1272 pip extension from the size of the structure, the top to the bottom. You look left, I think that's also up here, something from 2018 on this chart. It is on the daily. It's not on the 4 hour, I guess. Maybe it is. I just have to go further back. There it is. That's what you hit. You just hit the all-time high of this chart, right? So how convenient is that it plays a role as a resistance? I like it. So if you ever break that, look out. It's going in. It's going to go insane. Cardano will go absolutely insane on Binance if it breaks 38.856 cents. You had a minor pullback. Let it cool off. Let it breathe, because it could just be fueling up for a big markup. Okay. already great off the entry of that trade setup, right down at 30 cents or so. You hold that. Look, I mean, yeah, the stupid wick, I get it, it happens. Thanks, Bitcoin. But look, nothing on the 4 hours implying the buyers are exhausted. I don't think daily is doing. Maybe the daily is. Hold on, could be. Yeah, you could make the argument, but it's just kind of murky right now. Where what if the bids just keep coming in? I don't know if it might be tweezer topping here, but you never hit the target. You never hit the actual first target. Was the 100% measured move of this descending broadening wedge, which is up at like 41.9 cents. So yeah, I mean, you might be tweezer topping on the daily, but you got to let it play out, man. So there's no surprise why you haven't kept going, right? People are like, why does EDA just keep stalling? I just presented an argument why. Because it's very real resistance. It's the last one on this chart. The last one, right? That's like the final boss, right, in a video game. Do you really think like the last boss in the video game should be just a joke to break through? It should be at least somewhat difficult. I mean, right? Just a little bit. Imagine going, in Zelda... Hey, we're at Ganondorf. Oh, we killed him. We killed him in like 10 seconds. It's over. Oh, wow. What a joke of a game. Okay. Mana Connect? Yeah, dude, we'll look at it. So there you go, Octoman. The weekend rally was great. I mean, broke the supply line after the fake out. A little fake out. OXT. All right, it's the next one. Next request. Yep, I mean, this one looks, it's not really at the best entry areas, but dang, man, OXT looks like a snack. It does. It really does. It looks like it's bound for much, much higher prices. I can't even believe I'm saying it, like it just, because it's an S coin, whatever. It looks like it's about to go bonkers, man. Crazy. All right, so that's all right. Right there, and then you got this little wick right there. This is huge, dude. All right, just think about an asset that runs up like that, then it sells off, then it makes an 88.6% retrace, maybe even deeper, maybe like a 90-some% retrace. Okay, and look, an old ice line, right, back from January 28th, so about a year ago. All right, you back tested that area. Once, no, not once, but twice. Discernible swing high to separate the two different valleys. One bottom, okay. I don't know. Second bottom, oh my God. Second bottom, that confirmation low. And guess what? The confirmation low just happens to be a spring, a back test of a spring. Dude, you have to understand, like, what could happen if it breaks this 32 to 36 cent area. You have to understand, it could go crazy. I mean, like, it breaks that, it's going straight up, like, probably without question, to 49.48 cents. Oh, wait, why is this on my face still? Sorry. Wow, it was like a radio station for a minute there, huh? Hey. Who dis? Hey, Joseph V. Dude, thanks so much for joining the Patreon. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Blue Red Jenkins.
Is that a joint?
Joseph and Eric, please, again, be sure to sync up the Patreon to the Discord. That's where all the value is in the Discord, all right? Trust me on that, all right? So, I mean, that's it. If this really actually takes off, and the TA is respected on one bottom, a second bottom, then it's higher low. And then it's higher lows than the previous lows before it. I mean, just consecutive higher lows here. This eventually 49, let's say 50 cents. All right, 50 cents. And then above that, dude, try to set it up right there. December 2019. That'll be it. So here are your targets, dude. 49, 50 cents, and 65 cents. All right.
I think it's time to increase the minimum to $20 for S coins. Nice work, bro.
I don't know, man. Like, like, I don't know, dude. Like, what happens if someone doesn't tip because it's too much, and then we don't find this, right? This is great. This is crazy good. I can't even believe it. So just so we're clear again, one target. Hey, we did a new weekly, or new daily, sorry. New daily candle. One target, two target. There you go. That's where this thing's probably headed. If the TA is respected, all right? Bitcoin can't crash. Sorry, dude. It just can't. Nice bullish engulfing candle on the 4 hour. That's it. Okay? Ooh, the S-Coin corner, man. Alright, let's go back to Bitcoin. Look only 8s. Oh, look at that. So your daily candle closed. And it technically engulfed. It's just kind of indecision candle, whatever. Held 40 or held 35K again. Yeah, neutral stuff, right? Lower highs, higher lows. That is price contraction. That is the epitome of neutral. But what's the trend? Bullish. So a little hue, a little hint of bullishness always. Just there was no like exhaustion, buyer exhaustion, on significant time scales yet. So you gotta kind of wait for that, to feel more bearish. I mean, dude, as long as you stay above 34.5, look how many times, one time, 3 different times, 34.5 to 35K was held as support. You engulfed off of it last. It's almost like springing back testing the spring, jumping across creeks. Last 4 hour candle engulfed. Positive momos building. I mean, Grayscale buying 590 million in the last 24 hours. $594 million worth of Bitcoin. I mean, this is all not bad. Like, this is all like goodish stuff, dude. It's holding. It's making a low, a higher low, another higher low. Are you kidding me? And all the altcoins, dude, right? I mean, they're all set up for. You can see some of them are just set up for much higher prices. Oh, whoops, sorry. Hello? Y'all there? Hey, thanks for the 2020 people tuned in. If you're enjoying the live stream, that like button, that bell, that subs. First time I've said it today, and I've been live for an hour, so I'm not, like annoying you to hit the like button. But hey, we're on a streak. I mean, we like passed like 10 streams over 1,000 likes, so it's just like it's pretty incredible. So that's your old Bitcoin doing pretty good, decent things. If you want to see higher prices, this is exactly what should happen. Okay.
Waves upside. I think it's going to be gnarly.
So J Mikes, thanks, dude. All right. I guess we can look at waves. Ethereum rallying already at 1% on the new day. It's only been 3 minutes. Okay, so again, Bitcoin is going to go see 40K again. Ethereum's going to go see all-time highs this time. All right. And why is my analysis of that? Because the Ethereum to BTC chart is implying that Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin. So like right now on this next wave, which I'm thinking it's very possible, we're beginning the D wave, the last wave of an XABCD. That's happening. You just made C that much higher low, and then B was a 78% retrace. All right, man, everything's set up for 1272 to 1618 rally. Pray for Bitcoin, of course. You have to have Bitcoin perform at least a little bit, but if it does, this is very possible where Ethereum outperforms, okay, based on the ETH to BTC chart. All right, you get it. Well, I have a beep on NMR, so dude, OXT and Kai. I can't even believe it, man. It's so good. I'm dumbfounded by the beautiful charts that have presented themselves. Oh, yeah. We gotta look at VeChain doing things, right?
Not great or terrible.
What's up, Tech
Hey
Food?
brother, happy MLK Day. Just got here. How are you feeling today? Соединенные Штаты.
Pretty rough, man. I don't feel great today. I had to wake up really early too, and that screwed everything up. I didn't get very good sleep. Well, I mean, I got some good sleep last night, but not probably enough. And then I just stayed up, you know, and just tired, I guess, because of that. So, thank you, man. Let's see what's the next one. So, looks like Gabriel wanted to see Mana, Decentraland, and before it's a good-looking chart, you know. I think we looked at it recently. Yeah, it was a good-looking chart. That's right. I'm trying to remember which chart it was I looked at. We did the work on it. Was it Binance? No. Hello? Joseph Vega says, what's up everyone, finally joined Patreon, been watching streams on YouTube for years. Well, join the Discord, because that's where you will communicate with everyone, not in the actual Patreon. Like, no one no one uses the actual Patreon to communicate. It's all in the Discord, alright? Alright, I guess I'll just go to the Binance chart. And then my work saved or something. Weird, it's a different looking chart here. No, maybe not. We just zoomed in. Look at the rounding action, my god, the momentum shifting. Alright, so you're breaking resistance, and it looks like the next target will be 15 cents. Where it is. If you stay above this long enough, eventually 15 cents. Like, you already did that, right, once. So that's about it. If you ever broke that, forget about it. Oh my god, dude. If Mana ever broke 15 cents, it's going straight up to 20 cents. Which makes sense. And then after that, 24.4 cents. Pretty simple. The price action correlation. Straight up, straight down. Straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, right? You get it? So you're now like, look, straight up, straight down, straight up, eventually straight down, straight up, 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 straight down. That is a price action correlation here. So anything above 11 cents long enough, or yeah, 11 cents long enough goes to 15 cents. It's like every single time. And if I ever broke 15 cents, every single time in history it goes to 20 cents. So that's all we can do here. It's above resistance, and the longer it holds, the higher the probability becomes that it goes to the next resistance, 15 cents. Okay, that's it. That's your Mana. Cool. Pretty simple. VeChain. Yes, VeChain. It's already been amazing, but it's locally being amazing. Look at this chat. It's potential three rising. It's kind of a confirmed three rising valleys. If you talk about the confirmation line, that would have been like 2.8 cents. It's above that. So it's like the target. I think the target here is 4 cents. Okay, 4 cents, and then after that's 5 cents. Okay, 4 cents and 5 cents on VeChain. If this plays out, yeah, you'll be in price discovery mode. And this may go absolutely insane. More insane than you could think, okay? Okay. 4 cents, 5 cents, easy targets. Look, 4 cents is pretty much the gold mean ratio. We'll see up there if it plays out. Alright? Very good stuff. You're above all previous all-time highs. Okay, this was above previous all-time highs as well. You just couldn't sustain long enough before you dump back below it. That's what 2.6 to 2.8 cents is, right? These yellow lines. That was your all-time high in 2018. You're above it, man. You're above it.
Thank you for all you do.
Lights up. Thanks for the 5. Congrats. Tendies. Lots of tendies, too. That's it. Bullish as F. Stupid bullish. Price discovery mode about to be turned on. It looks like it's looking like it's getting ready to go insane. So it may not. If Bitcoin crashes, forget about everything. Like, none of this stuff can play out if Bitcoin actually crashes and dumps hard, all right? But as long as Bitcoin just stays sitting sideways, hanging out, or goes up, it's going to be great for these altcoins, okay? Bullish looking stuff. VeChain. Again, one more time. There you go. Oh yeah, yeah. We looked at waves like yesterday, I think. So, yep. Classic bearish divergence played out, and then it back tested old resistance as support. Let's go NMR. All right, NMR. We looked at it a little earlier today. VeChain. Oh, I had an alert, I guess, from earlier. Sorry, my bad. I didn't even see it. But again, dude, yeah, VeChain, 4 cents, 5 cents targets here. So I'm not really sure about an edge here. Like, I don't really see much of an edge. It's just bouncing between $5 and $8.66. That's support. Look, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. That's straight up, straight down, straight up. I mean, you get it, right? If you break it, all right, then we'll talk. But you haven't been able to. No, not really sure. Like, oh, there it is. So right there, $16. Very real possibility this could like double up if it ever broke $8.66. Okay, so. It just hasn't done that yet. So top of the range, not overbought, so it could keep climbing, but you can clearly see how important it is. It's not about the, oh, it's certain, man, it's going up. I mean, like, if it breaks out, it could have a stupid markup in price based on the history between $8.66 and $16, right? It could go nuts, but it hasn't done that yet, so add an alert, you know, add an alert. Very good, man. So we'll see waves, VeChain. We got through the request, man. We did it. That's it. And dude, again, thanks for the 926 patrons. No, 927 patrons. I can't believe how close we are to 1,000 patrons. Never would have dreamed it.
Would you convert BTC into ETH cause it's going to new highs, then switch back to BTC to increase your BTC stack? What's ETH target? Thank you, you rock.
I mean, that chart is kind of interesting, you know, like the ETH to BTC, but it's like when you know, like, the issue with this meta is, you know, all the institutional money is just going into Bitcoin. It's not going into Ethereum really yet. It's not going into VeChain, Tezos, XRP, Litecoin. It's not going, you know, it's going into Bitcoin. So it's like, I'm still just, I think someone should own Ethereum and Bitcoin, right? But if the Ethereum to BTC chart TA is respected, then yeah, that might be an idea. But I don't know, like, if it's gonna play, like, what happens if Bitcoin starts catching lots of bids and so does Ethereum? I mean, it's an idea, you know, that's something someone could do, sure. But just remember where all the smart money is going, or just all the money. Follow the money. It's going to Bitcoin, not Ethereum, really. But it does. But again, you know, above this gray line right here is price discovery. So Bitcoin's been in price discovery, Ethereum's not. So you think like how fast Ethereum could run up to like $1,800, a 1272 fib extension, you know, the major one. So if you trust the Ethereum to BTC chart, there you go, right? If you trust Bitcoin and where the money's going, Bitcoin kind of seems still like the one to own, but. All right, man. Yeah, I think Ethereum's promising, and I think we'll see lots of upside if Bitcoin continues on this course, this path. All right, just think about it like this. Bitcoin is this is a great way to look at it. Bitcoin is still, gosh, 14% off its all-time, its highest high of the rally. It's also all-time highs. 14% off, right? What is Ethereum? Ethereum is 6.62% off its highs of the rally. Right? They both reversed at the same time. Who's outperforming? Ethereum's outperforming right now. And based on Ethereum to BTC chart, it would continue. This trend would continue. That's all I'm saying, right? Again, targets. I mean, you think it at least 1272. So that's like, it's like 1470 to
learn to yield form. Passive income while it sits in your
1470 to 1624. What's up, Dow Jones? Yield form connect. All right. We did it, man.
Hey Mitch, again appreciate all your insights. Discord is amazing game. Don't sit on the fence if you're serious about improving your trading skills and looking for a wealth of information from an amazing community. See you in there.
Is that a joint?
B-dubs, thanks to 420. And the advocacy for the Patreon, which, yeah, dude, I mean, like, there's no wonder why there's so many patrons. You don't just get this many patrons and it's not awesome, right? It's not an amazing community with a bunch of really good people, you know? It's all premeditated, partner. So thank you, dude, and thanks all patrons, okay? Oh, no, I haven't checked link yet, I don't think. That had its run, right? Yeah, bearish divergence, pretty bad bearish divergence on the 4 hour. Hasn't really gone anywhere, hasn't really played out yet. Maybe it doesn't, you know. It's kind of in price discovery mode, really. But look, I mean, it did hit the target. It hit the 1272 yesterday and the day before. And it all started with classic bullish divergence. And the next target, 26.22. Next target after that's 28.95, $30, right? All reasonable areas to believe Link could be going if all stays the same on Bitcoin. That's it. Remember X, A, B, C, D? We're working on that last major wave, and it's happening. It's Ron Paul memes all over GIFs. It's happening. Be sure to join Discord if you haven't. You gotta do it. The Discord is pinned to the chat. Nice. Acropolis, whatever it is. Acropolis. Gross.
Hey Mitch, can you please look up Acropolis dollar acro, thanks.
Sure. A little late. Pretty simple chart. Extremely simple chart. This is it, dude. You want any more of this? Hey, I like it. The higher low accumulation. You broke out. Look what you done. You broke the range 2 days ago. You back tested it yesterday and well, I guess 2 days ago and yesterday, which was like 20 minutes ago, you held. So if we're talking about where it could go next, if you're going to use Fibonacci, or you could use the range, size of the range for target. Look at the 1272. Okay, if we pull back, that's probably where you could be headed next. I mean, like the golden mean ratio is 2 cents. Could be headed to 2 cents. You could also, again, that's another way to size up a range breakout. It's the size of it, right? From the breakout, you back tested it, you held. You could also look at it like this. Another way to target, 2.1 cents, perfect. Not much to look at, right? Not much data. Holy crap, chat, we've done it. 44,000 YouTube subs. Just achieved it. Let's freaking go, dude.
Good.
44 sailboats. Oh, I guess. What a joke, dude. Ethereum to E. Ethereum E. Like, doesn't do anything. Yeah, no thanks. But yeah, we can look at it if you want. Is that a cup with handle, man? It's a really weird one if it is. Not really holding any kind of support. You're kind of below it. Got to get back above $15.92 if you want to see $22 again. Yeah, I mean, like, the argument that maybe there's hidden bullish divergence. Yep, definitely on the daily. Definitely hidden bullish divergence, right? A low, a much higher low, much higher levels, negative momentum, impending price action, continuation to the upside. All right, well, let's see it happen then, ETHE. If it respects the TA, then it's probably running to $22 again, if this plays out. Hasn't played out yet, man. Not yet. That's it. Boom. Roasted. Again, happy Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Martin Luther King was seriously an amazing the civil rights activist, right, of our time, or of all time, right? And definitely lots of respect for him. All right, so everyone can be equal. It's huge, dude. So shout out to MLK Jr. Thanks to the 2,000 people still here. Thanks to the 790 likes. We can get 1,000 likes in seconds if you want. If y'all want to do it, we can get it. Hey, man, do it for the Altcoins pumping. So you're just going to go up and down. Sideways action could continue. If there's a dragon breakout, you're creating the tail of the dragon now. I don't know, man. Like, we've put in the work. It's not much going on in Bitcoin, but at least we know what's strong, what's not. Anything above 35K is super bullish. Anything below it, well, you run the risk of seeing 30K again. So all is well in Bitcoin. The longer you stay above 35K, the higher the probability it becomes you see 40K again. It's that simple. All right, you're above it. You're above 35K. So keep that up, and good things will happen eventually. All right.
Congrats on 44K. If there was ever a person I never met who deserved it, it's you. Thanks for taking us along for the ride. Kings 0.000550000 BTC.
Jimbo, thanks for the $20 contribution worth of Bitcoin. Thank you, man. Add to the bags. You talking about, look at Kai? I mean, we can go back to Kai real quick. People are talking about it. It's on talk radio. It's people talking. Here's your Kai. What happened? Where did this come from? Nice. Nice. Yeah, dude, that came out of nowhere, didn't it? So again, I'll see you at 2.7 to 2.9 pennies. You break that, you're going to the moon. Big time. We're here. Writing. We're here. All I can do is tell you bullish tornado warning or something, right? You have to get to the basement. What's up, Ramon? Thanks, dude. So the altcoins, the under the speakeasy altcoins, right? Prospering. CRV up 2.49% today. New Day Atom up 3%. Rose GRT up, a lot up. NMR's up. Dude, this is it, man. This is it. Remember that time this was identified last night for patrons and everyone was pinged and it was like, wow, look at that. All right, eventually I see it $35.92 on NMR. Cobra Kai. No mercy. It's beautiful, dude. Oh my god. Hayden H. Hayden H. Thanks for joining the Patreon. Welcome, dudes. Glad to have you. Please be sure to sing the Patreon on the Discord. You know what to do, man. Thank you.
Is that a joint?
Bruh.
Cheers. OXT OMG. Are you saying the crypto or oh my god, OXT is pumping or something? No, I didn't look at the futures. We can look at them, which they are now open, I believe. Kind of got a little gap up. Bottom right, Bitcoin closed at like 35.8. Meh, whatever. Yeah, dude, just up 0.37, 3%, right? Across the board. So up just a little bit. Not too much. Beautiful. Very nice. You just can't ignore the daily hidden bullish divergence on the third valley on the back test of the spring. You can't ignore it, man. Can't ignore it. Okay, so what a stream. I think we got the requests out of the way. Yep, got them out of the way. So if it's okay with y'all, I think I'm just going to step back and try to take it easy the rest of the evening. It's been a slow day today. Alright, what a stream. So I'll be back. Y'all be goods. Keep your eye on the newer S coins, the Speakeasy coins. That's what S stands for, Speakeasy. I'll be back. Till next time, respect the TA.
name is JP. I am a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
I have some evidence Van Bear Pig could be in this area.
Don't worry too much. Everything is beautiful. There's nothing to worry about.
Adios, turd nuggets.